Hi, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get all the information inside Make data stores and how you can structure that information to include it into a Google Sheet spreadsheet. This way, you can have all your information stored in Make in a structured way, and you can even include data validation and conditional formatting into that table. Okay, so let's jump right into it. First thing we're going to use the module for search records. So in this case, you should have a data store already set up with information. It should get all the information. So as you can see, we're not using any filters, neither limits for getting all that information. Then we are using an aggregate JSON. And basically what it does is it grabs all the information and format it in a specific JSON structure. So you'll need to have a data structure. In this case, I'm going to show you mine. So it's just, I'm setting with the name of values and the type is an array. And that's pretty much it. From there, you'll be able to include items, the specific records or information of those records inside that JSON. So pretty much everything that was stored in that record will be included in the whole JSON. After that, we are going to parse that JSON. So the result from the aggregate JSON, we're going to include it here. We're parsing that JSON string. And from there, we are aggregating all those values, specifically the values, because remember that in the previous structure, it was named values. So that way we're able to aggregate everything. And this will set up the logic or the format which Google Sheet requires for you to do a bulk add rows. So this allows us to a lot of data, plug it in right there to Google Sheets so you can have everything super easily. So of course you will need to have the spreadsheet ID, which is this ID right here from the Google Sheet. Then define the sheet name, the column range, and then the result of the array aggregator, you're including it in the rows. So I'm putting not unformatted. The value input option is user entered and insert data option override. So this is important. So that way we're able to include the information, and then we are including the data validation and conditional formatting. So first we include the data, and then we include kind of the format and the data validation to make it look this way. So originally this was just true or false, but after data validation and the conditional formatting, we're able to see colors once one thing is true, a Boolean value, or true or false. So yeah, I have actually one specific video of where I go into much details of how to set this and how to set the API call to Google Sheet to make this specific process for adding data validation and conditional formatting. But I'll be also sharing this blueprint so you can take it a closer look. Yeah, and after that, the result will be getting all the information from the Datastore, parsing all that information, and include it inside your Google Sheet with a specific format. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and remember, don't repeat, automate. Bye.